guys, you're back in the kitchen with me, cooking low and slow. But you gotta move fast if you want to get your hands on one of these, so don't forget to enter a competition. Today we're going to be making dried peach and apricot chicken. It's tangy and sweet and just delicious. For this recipe, you will need 8 chicken drumsticks, 1 onion, 250 grams of dried peach and apricots, salt and pepper, 250 ml of chicken stock, 125 ml of wine, a quarter cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of honey, the juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of garlic, a tablespoon of ginger, a tablespoon of mustard, some parsley and rice to serve. So there's one important rule when it comes to slow cooking, and that is you always need to season and brown the chicken first, and your onions. I'm going to add my chicken and onions to my pot. And for our sauce, we're going to have our 250 ml of chicken stock. I'm going to add 125 ml of wine, then a quarter cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of garlic, freshly chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of mustard, some honey, then some salt and pepper. Last but not least, the juice of 1 lemon. Give that a stir. Next up is our peach and apricot mixture. I've rehydrated our peaches with some hot water. It's absolutely perfect to use the chicken stock if you'd like, and add it all together with our sauce. I'm popping on my lid, setting it on high for 3 to 4 hours, and I'll be back. It's been 4 hours and it's time to see what's inside. I wish I could explain how delicious my kitchen smells. I'm gonna taste. Absolutely divine. Now, follow that link, sign up for our newsletter, answer one simple question, and you'll go into the draw to win your very own slow cooker. Good luck and happy cooking.